Okay, it's Mrs. K, and we're going to look at some of, we're going to watch the artist in action. So here we go.
Hi, we're back. We're going to show you some welding today. This is a piece that I just welded up in my spare time, just little pieces that, just little scrap pieces and stuff. Well, some of it has fallen off. We're going to weld some horseshoes to it anywhere we want to. And then we are going to cut this piece of metal here. And that's called plasma cutting. What it is a torch. And it's going to cut through the metal and make these shapes. Okay, most of these shapes are done with a computer. Here's your equipment over here. We've got a welder. And you've heard about people welding and you know about it. And then we've got what is called a plasma cutter. And that cuts metal, different thicknesses, from real thin to real thick metal. It'll just cut right through it. So let's go ahead and do some welding here. I'm going to put on my safety equipment. Safety first. Got a helmet because it is bright. Adjust the helmet. Put on the gloves, and then I'm just going to be quiet. Weld, weld, weld. So let's get going here. Here's my welding handle. And I need to grab one tool real quick. Snips here. Get a nice clean edge. So what we've got is just all little scrap pieces. I just made this big crazy design. Anything goes. So we're going to figure out where we're going to put this horseshoe. We can put it anywhere we want. Up there. Here, we're just looking for a good spot. It's kind of tough. I'm not sure where I want it today. Oh, right there. Here we go. Test the welder here. There we go. Alright, I wasn't looking at that. Horseshoe. Make sure it's on there. Cutting this.
And why are you cutting it?
It gives this little piece a really clean edge. It's like sharpening a pencil.
Okay.
So if you come around over here, we're going to weld horseshoe. There. I'm going to use my left hand. I'm right-handed, but I'm going to use my left hand. Alright, we don't have a good ground here. Working with electricity, so we've got to have a